So which type of element will have positive ion? It is indicates that K. So we have to represent here K. So this is called as here potassium salt of the acid. And what are the remaining products? It is indicates that remaining 1 R is left. So 1 R, then another one C. So C, how many hydrogens are there? Totally here 2 hydrogens and here 1 hydrogen. So we should take 2 hydrogen atoms first, RCH2. Then already we have used 2 oxygens. So here 2 oxygens already left. So another 1 oxygen we should take here O and H. So this is called as alcohol and this is called as potassium salt of the acid. So this is a general reactions. If we are going to consider the examples like formaldehyde or benzaldehyde, similar products it is going to forms. But what is the difference? It is indicates that this is a general reaction. In place of or we may take alkyl groups or aryl groups. Now let us learn about that. So for example, so first type of reactions, whenever formaldehyde reacts with potassium hydroxide, what is the product it will get forms? As similar we have already learned in a previous reaction, that is there is a formation of a salt of acid. So here 2H is there, 1H we should take, then 2 carbon atoms, 1 carbon atoms, and here 2 oxygen atom, then K. So HCOO, K, this is the potassium salt of acid. Then what it will be left here, there is a remaining product, that is how many H are there here? 2H and here 2H, 4H and here 1H, means totally 5H are there. We have used only 1H. So remaining 4H we should take. Then what about the carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms, 1 carbon atom we have already used, so 1 carbon it will be left. Then how many hydrogens are there? Still, so 1C already we have used, so remaining 1C. Then hydrogen atoms will be 4, so CH3. Then how many oxygen atoms? Totally 3 oxygen atoms. So already we have used 2 oxygen atoms, so now it will become 1O and H. So this is alcohol, methyl alcohol or methanol. So this is the first example, that is by considering of formaldehyde. Similarly, this is like alkyl group. Now we should take aryl group. So aryl group in the sense aromatic ring must be get substituted by the aldehyde. See here, this is benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. We are going to taking 2 moles of benzaldehyde. It is treated with the potassium hydroxide. Then the products are going to forms. So here salts of acid, it is indicates that mainly benzene, it must be consist of salts of potassium, so COO. Okay, so this is known as potassium benzoate. This is known as potassium benzoate. And what it will be left, remaining 1 aromatic ring, that is benzene ring is going to presence. Then here just we can see CH2OH. So this is called as benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. So these are the products will get forms in this case of Cannizzaro reaction. This is very important reaction. So this is about the explanation of Cannizzaro reaction. So the next important reaction, that is Kolb's electrolysis. Now let us learn about that. Here Kolb's electrolysis reaction. So this is the meaning of Kolb's electrolysis reaction and definition of Kolb's electrolysis reaction. Now let us learn about that. When concentrated solution of sodium or potassium salts of fatty acid is electrolyzed, the product is higher alkane. So that higher alkane, it must be obtained at the anode. So such type of reaction is called as Coles electrolysis reaction. So here what they are going to say here, 2-or-COO-Na. So when concentrated solution of sodium or potassium salt, so here we are taking sodium salt of sodium salt of the fatty acid, it must be electrolyzed. So that is on the process of in the process of water molecule we are going to use. So the product are going to form higher alkane is obtained. Higher alkane, because here 2 R groups are there, so here R and R, this is called as a higher alkane. Then how many carbons are there? 2 carbon atoms. So 2C, how many oxygen atoms are there? 4, and here 2 oxygen atoms. So we are going to use now 2 oxygen atoms only. So 2CO2. Then how many Na are there? 2 Na. 2 Na. Oxygens are totally 4 oxygens are there. In that 4 already we have used 2 oxygen atom. So another 2 oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. Then H2, it is going to formation. So here there is a elimination of H2. So this process is also called as dehydrogenation, not dehydration. This is dehydrogenation because we are removing of or elimination of H2 molecule. So this is the Coles electrolysis reaction. So there is a formation of a higher alkane. So this is a general reaction. Now let us learn about by taking an example of concentrated solution of sodium acetate is electrolyzed. What is the product that is higher alkane? It indicates that ethane is going to form. Now let us learn about that. So this is sodium acetate is electrolyzed. Then what is the product here? RR group obtained. So here 2CH3 is there. In place of R, just there is a replacement of CH3 group. So we should take CH3. Then remaining everything will be same in general reaction as in general reaction. So here 2CO2 plus 2NaOH plus H2. So here ethane, higher alkane is known as only ethane. So such type of a reaction is called as here Coles electrolysis reaction. So this is also very important for your examination purpose. Please concentrate, and if you have any doubts, comment and subscribe our channel.